Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting the error message, your internet security settings prevented one or more files from being opened, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix it. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu, type Internet Options and open it. Go to the Security tab. Now click Custom Level. Scroll down until you find the option called Launching Applications and Unsafe Files. Make sure this option is set to Prompt. Then click OK. Next, select Local Intranet. Click Sites. Make sure all the boxes here are unchecked. After that, click OK. Now click Custom Level again. Scroll down to Launching Applications and Unsafe Files and set it to Prompt. Click OK. Then click Yes. Now, select Trusted Sites. Click Custom Level. Scroll down again to Launching Applications and Unsafe Files. Set it to Prompt. Click OK. Finally, select Restricted Sites. Click Custom Level. Scroll down to Launching Applications and Unsafe Files. Set it to Prompt, then click OK. Click Yes, then click Apply and OK. Now restart your computer. After restarting, the error, "Your internet security settings prevented one or more files from being opened," should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.